my intent of this bringing my work out to a larger audience and producing income while I'm sleeping. I have not done enough in between all of these, but I'm like, like at least I know what I need to do. It confirms some things that I was already doing and pieces that I've already done. I'm close. Like I'm closer than I think I thought I was. And yet I'm sort of like, oh, there's so much to do. And I just have to go, okay, I'm doing the best I can, but I know I will get there. I mean, I think that's where my audience is. I think there's lots of people that have these big dreams of things they want to create and manifest in their lives. And we get entangled in all of these 9 million things in life and the unexpected. And so it's interesting because it's like my own process with this is also the thing that I'm trying to help people with. So that's the way it goes, isn't it? But I'm being gentle with myself, saying, I've got like my husband always tells me, he's like, you're the one that's putting the stress on yourself. Like you got your whole life to do it. But I do thank you for this. It's been really great. And I would love also a cheat sheet. I've kind of been doing I have my own little system for how I'm organizing this work. I've like created a folder of all the downloads that you've been giving us. And then I have a folder of like things I've done. So I put it in that folder so then I feel like the pile is getting smaller of things.